morning to all. Please check whether my voice is audible. Anyone, please respond.
Yes, you are
Audible,
audible.
sir.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, we'll start the session. Before going to the session, what happened in the last session? In the last session, what is my content? My content is first, what is JDK, JRE, JVM? The very important topic. JDK, Java Development Kit. Simply, this is the software where our Java programs are executed. Now, JDK consists of two parts. One is Java compiler, and another one is JVM. Along with JVM, they provide some set of libraries. So, Java compiler performs compilation and then it produces the bytecode. Whatever the bytecode produces by the Java compiler, that bytecode is loaded into JVM. Now, the JVM executes the bytecode and produces the result. Okay, along with execution, if it requires any additional files, that means some set of libraries, all those set of libraries are also added to JVM. Now, this entire JVM plus set of libraries are available in JRE. So, this is the first and a very important topic that we had discussed in the last session. What is the thing? JDK, JRE, and JVM. We are not discussed in depth about JVM. We discussed the basics of all the concepts. Whenever we are moving to at least one or two programs, then I am moving in depth of what is JVM, how the memories are allocated, how the execution flow among the different informations. Okay, after that, this is the important topic. After that, some basic information, that is history of Java and different versions of Java. Under these different versions, you don't need to remember all the versions. What you need to remember? You need to remember the LTS products. Long term short mule. You have to support long term support products only. That means that version provides support for this server also. For example, right now the latest version is Oracle, that is developed by Oracle, right? The latest version that Oracle provides is Java 19. But the LTS is up to Java 17 only. That means if you want to install or if you want to execute advanced Java programs, you need Java version 17. Okay. Now, what are the features of Java? We discussed some 3 to 4 features, not completed features. I already said whenever we are moving on, we discuss the features automatically. One feature is Java is a simple language. How can we say that Java is a simple language? Compared to C, the difficult topics of C. Suppose one topic is pointers. Generally, anyone knows C language. Generally, pointer becomes some of the very difficult topic. Such type of difficult topics are not available in Java. That is the first feature we discussed. Yes. After that, we discussed some other features also. Platform independent. We already draw one diagram. What is the diagram? The operate, that is the JVM or the Java program, does not depends on the operating system for execution. Why? Because that Java compiler is inbuilt in in inbuilt in directly the JDK. That is the main point. That is platform independent. That means you run the Java program and executed the bytecode. That bytecode is executed on any platform. On any platform. Based on this, we defined one more point. What is that one? Architecture neutral. Architecture in the sense, 64-bit mission architecture, 32-bit mission architecture. What is the architecture of the system you are using? So Java does not depends on the mission also. Why? It does not depends on the operating system. Internally, operating system does not depends on the mission. Okay. Now, what happened? A basic introduction is completed in all the 3 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3. What happened? Some basic introduction related to any programming languages. Related to any programming language. Additionally, in the last session, we entered into Java, how the Java is executed now. Now, so again enter into the first step. What is the first step from now onwards? It is very easy. Here I am moving in a different fashion. Not first what is an identifier, what is the features. I am not going to discuss in that fashion. Move to different fashion. My first step is installation of Java software. Why? After installation, that means if you want to run a program, you need a tool, you need a software, right? So we are installing that software. I already said what is the Java software name? The Java software name is JDK. Software name is JDK. Java Development Kit. Okay. This is my first topic in the today's session. Can I move on? Any doubts in the last 3 days? Anyone? Any doubts in the last 3 days? I will repeat. Either yes or no. Please ping some message. I already said. So, what? Not one-way traffic. Make the session as a completely two-way communication. Why? Because then only I understand what you learn. Yes, no. Any other else? If any doubt, no problem. If any doubt, ping the message. Yes, definitely I will try to resolve all your doubts. What is the thing? After completion of a class, you are in a position to give answer to any one of the topic. Suppose if I am asking what are different applications of Java, definitely you have to ask, sir, we have four types of applications. Standalone application, web application, enterprise application, mobile application. That means you are in a position to give every concept in theoretical aspect. Right now, I am not moving to programming. Whenever you are moving to program, based on the concepts we learned, we are writing the programs in some real-time aspects. So today only I will start one basic program. Then you will understand. Okay. Now starts with installation of JDK. I will write step by step. Understand? Installation. The first step. So whenever you want to install any software, go to the official website. Go to the official website. What is the official website? So in the last olden days, Sun Micro system is official. Now Java is handed over by Oracle Corporation. So the official website is Oracle. Go to this Oracle. Now I am going step by step. Here, remember, I will provide the content here. For your understanding, I am writing in shortcut. I will provide the content step by step. No problem. See this one. First, we are moving to the Oracle website. Here I given the download link also. Everything I will give clearly. No problem. Chrome. You can open any web browser your wish. Generally, we prefer Google Chrome. Now go to Oracle. Go to oracle.com. Yes, this is my Oracle. Under this Oracle, what you need to select? You need to select Java. You need to select Java. Suppose, observe, if you are moving, click on this one. It displays different products that are supported by Oracle. Industries, resources, customers, partners. So it looks like something difficult. It looks like something difficult. That is the reason I directly give the link. So whenever you are moving to this oracle.com, automatically that link is open here. Simply type Java. Instead of searching all the products, simply type Java. Automatically it moves to Java folder. Yes or no? Automatically it moves to Java. Here we have the option download Java. Here you have the option download Java. Automatically Java is downloaded. Yes or no? Yes. But here you need to understand one point. Under this Java, instead of clicking direct download, if you are getting the direct download, not a problem. We got the answer. Instead of clicking, you will check what are the different versions of Java that are available. If you click directly, it will download the latest version. Directly, it will download the latest version. But your aim is first you need to check what are the different versions of Java that are available. Okay. Suppose see this one. JDK 11.7 point some 19 point is have been released and it is in January 18, 2023. Whatever it is, go to directly technologies. Directly move to technologies. Here see this one? It provides different versions. Java SE 19, Java SE 17, Java SE 11. Observe for 17 and 11, they are writing LTS within the bracket. They are writing LTS within the bracket. Okay. Here, you can select any of your version. You can select any of your version. Directly, I am moving to the option downloads. No problem. Even though you are typing, you will search step by step. You have to search step by step. That is something different, difficult. Now, once you move to this link, Java technology downloads, automatically see this one. It shows different versions. Select the operating system. Your operating system is Windows. Now, click on Windows. Once you click on Windows, here it shows different versions. It shows different versions. All are JDK 19. The latest version is JDK 19. Here I am selected Java 19. That is the reason it shows different versions related to that one. Now, if you want, select Java 17. Better, I request everyone select Java 17. Why? Because it supports advanced topics also. It has LTF support. Now, if you are selecting Java 17, move to the Windows operating system. Okay. What is the first step? The first step is simply go to the corresponding path where your JDK software is available. From that, you need to select the version and the operating system. Remember, this is my first step. Any doubt in the first step? You need to download Oracle. This is the download link. I am given this download link directly. You can select, you can download from that one by clicking that. By placing this link in your browser, you directly install. Now, what is the second step we are doing? Here, my second step is you can select either Java 19 or Java 17. Select the type of JDK, that is JDK 19 or JDK 17. Okay. Suppose if you want to select JDK 17 or JDK 19. Remember, both have same procedure of installation. Both have same procedure of installation. Okay. Suppose if you select Java 19, if you select Java 19, what you need to install, always remember, whether it is a 19 version or 17 version, you need to download the .exe file. Remember, you need to download the .exe file. Here, this is the .exe file. Click on this one. My second step is completed. Remember, this is a very important. My second step is completed. I am downloading this one. Now the installer is ready. Now what is my third step? Click the following link. Okay, I clicked the following link. Whenever I click the following link, some installer is available. Simply click on the installer. Simply click on the download installer. Okay, wait, it will open. Preparing to install. Simple steps. Click on next. Now, here this is the path. This is the path where your Java software, that is JDK software, is installed. Under C drive, in program files, a folder Java is created. Under this Java, what is the version? JDK 19. Click on next. Click on next. Now you need to install not 19, 17. I will explain 19, but your aim is you need to install 17. Both are same, yes or no? Here move to 17. In 17 also you click the same file, but you are asking a question, sir, why you are installing 19? I already installed version 17 in my computer. So for your understanding, I installed version 19. You got my point? So you can install any number of versions. Now Java Development Kit is successfully installed. Simply close. Simply close. Okay. Now the installation is completed. Check whether the installation is completed successfully or not. Go to this PC. Under this PC, C drive, C drive, program files. Here Java. Under Java, two versions. This is the current version. Observe the time, 10 February 2023, 7:20. That means this is the JDK, right? Just now we installed. This is already installed. Okay, just now installed. Okay, everything is clear. My installation is completed. Now here everyone know up to step 4. That is very easy. Simply open the path, download, everything is fine. Now each and everyone must and should understand step 5. This is a very important. What is this one? What is this one? This is called path. What is mean by path? Suppose I install the software in one drive. If I am executing the program in another drive, is it possible? No. At which position you are installing the software, you need to execute the programs in the same software, that is same location. Now, Java, not only Java, Python generally, any programming language, they have the concept of path. What is mean by path? Whenever you are executing the program in another drive also, simply that program is moved to the installed path. I will show you step by step how to set the path. How to set the path. Okay. The simple procedure is go to this PC. This PC in some systems it shows as my computer. Right click, right click, properties. Again, first right click, properties. Under click the properties. Once you click on the properties, now here what it displays, again I will write step by step. See this one. First to right click on the PC properties. After that, you have an option advanced system settings. So it is displayed depending upon the operating system. Suppose for some members the advanced system setting, this option is visible on the left side. Some operating system this is visible on the right side. So depending upon the operating system, but compulsory that option is available. Click on advanced system settings. Okay. Now here you need to select environment variables. No problem. I will explain what is environment variable in detail after completion. First to set the path. Click on environment variable. Now, once you click on environment variable, we have two types of environment variable. One is user variable. Second one is system variable. Simple difference. I will explain in detail later. Some simple difference is user variable in the sense the variable that we are created for specific user. System variable in the sense applied to the system. Whoever access this one, for everyone that is accepted. Okay. Now here we are updating for all the users. That means you need to create a system variable. How? Here select new. Select new under system variable. Here we have two options. One is variable name. Second one is variable value. Under variable name, type path. Now, variable value. What is variable value? Variable value is simply the path. Variable value is simply the path. What is the path? Where your Java program is saved. Now the path is simply C drive program files. Under this Java JDK, click on JDK. Here select bin. Here click on this one. Automatically this is selected. Control C. This is selected. Copy. Control C. Go to this environment variable, that is variable value. Copy this one. Semicolon. Click on OK. Now path is setted. See this one, path, this one. Now the path is completed. Path is completed. Okay. Now click on OK, OK, OK. Okay. I already set the path. Okay. Simply I am clicking on cancel, but you need to create the path. But simply after completion of entire thing, what is your step? Okay, okay, okay. Three times, three times. See this one? Now my entire thing is completed. Now what is my first step? The first step is the installation of Java. Java JDK is installed successfully. Anyone is any doubt? Why? Because without knowing the installation, it is not possible to write a Java program. Everyone must and should know each and every basic step in the installation. Okay. So after completion of installation, now what is the important step? You need to check whether the software is installed successfully or not. Whether the software is installed successfully or not. Then what is the procedure? Go to command prompt. In the start, type CMD. Type CMD, command prompt. Click on the command prompt. Click on the command prompt. Here also I will show you. See this one. After completion of all these installation and path setting, our next aim is to check whether the Java is installed successfully or not. Now, suppose check whether Java is installed or not. Simple thing is type the command Java. Simply type the command Java. See this one, it displays some information. It displays some information. Now, which version of Java you are using? Java hyphen minus version. Remember the command to check which version of Java you are using. This is the command Java space hyphen version. Which version you are using? Right now, I am using Java version 19. Java version 19. Okay. Now, next point is installation is completed. Next point is I already said we have two stages. Yes or no? For executing, that is for a program, two stages are followed. The first stage is compilation stage, and my second one is execution. Yes or no? For you are writing a program, and then after completion of these two stages you are getting the output. Now what are the commands you have to follow? How the system know it is in the first stage? How the system know it is in the second stage? Remember carefully. First, java c Java C. This is the command used for compilation. Java C is the command used for compilation. Now, Java is the command used for execution. Remember the two commands. Java C and Java. Java C for compilation. You can type Java C. See this one. So it produces some information. That means my Java is available. Under this Java, you need two commands. One is Java C for compilation. Second one, Java for execution. Okay. Everything is fine. Clear. Everything is fine. Clear. Now, for your understanding, I am deleting this JDK. I will show you all the procedure. Suppose just now delete this JDK. Continue. Deleted. Now check which version of Java. Java minus, that is hyphen version. What happened? See this one. Here in the previous case, whenever I given the command Java version, it is taken. But in this case, if I given, it does not give any value. It does not give any value. So again, I will close and open. Understand carefully. CMD Java hyphen version. This is the command. See this one? Here the meaning is I set my path to JDK 19, but I deleted the complete JDK. But the path is set to JDK 19. That is the problem. Now, what is your aim? You need to set the path to this one. The procedure is same thing. Understand carefully. Whenever I deleted, what happens? The path is available to version 19, but the JDK is deleted. But the JDK is deleted. The procedure is simply this PC properties. So here I showed all the cases. That is the reason. Advanced system setting, environment variable, under new, select the variable name as path and then variable value as this one bin. Click on OK, second OK, and then third OK. Now my path is set to Java version 17. Check. Control panel. Everything I will show you all the things. Uninstall a program. Check what are the versions are available here also. It is visible. Java 17 is available. Java 19 is also available. Simply I select 19 and uninstall. That means right now I am showing both the installation and installation. Simply deleting the folder means that program is, that software is not uninstalled. You have to uninstall from the control panel also. Okay, everyone is fine. Installation and uninstallation. Now Java C and Java. Can I write the first Java program? Here I am writing my first Java program. No need to bother about what are the syntaxes, what is the class, what are the things we are writing. That is not your aim. Your aim is you need to write a program and execute the program. Execute the program. How to write a program? In the starting sessions, I am using Notepad, and through Notepad, I am executing the programs. Once we move on, I am creating an IDE, Eclipse. Okay. Suppose the first step is for writing a sample program. Remember and understand, select Notepad. You can select anything, either Notepad++ or Sublime. We have many things are available for your basic understanding. Select Notepad. Okay, in this notepad, write the Java program. In this notepad, write your Java program. Here, I am writing my Java program class, first program. Ignore all the syntaxes. What is a class? What is this first program? Right now, all those are not important. I will move step by step once you write the program. Okay, no problem. Open the notepad, write a program. So public static void main string args of. Now here I am writing some message system dot out dot println. My message is welcome to Java. Okay, my program is completed. I already said what happened inside this one. Right now, that is not required to you. Here, your assumption is only I written a program by following some rules of the Java programming language. Here, what is the program? This is the program simply to display some message. So, understand only the procedure, not the way of writing the program. You have to learn the way of executing the program. Open the notepad and write the program. After that, you need to save the program. Where you have to save the program? Remember the thing. Generally, the program is saved inside the path. What is the path? We already know. What is the path? This is the path. See program files, Java, under Java, JDK, and under bin. Here you need to save the program, but I does not require to save the program. Here I am creating a folder separately. In that folder, I am saving my all the programs. You got it? For my future reference. For example, I am teaching Java to one batch for you, another batch also. To avoid confusion, what I am doing, suppose under this PC, in D drive, not in C drive, suppose under this PC, in the folder Nagaraju, for your understanding, here I am creating a folder. What is my folder name? Suppose my folder name is Java batch 31. You got my point? This is the folder where I saved all my Java programs. All my Java programs. See this one? Now, open this folder. Open this file. File. Save. File. Save. What is the path? I am starting from this PC. The path is C drive. Sorry. The path is D drive. Here I created a folder under D drive. Not only D drive, you can create at any location, at any folder. Why I am using folder instances? All the programs are written at that location. Go to this one. Here, that is my batch name. Yes or no? Select Java batch 31. Here, okay, under this folder, you can create a file. Suppose what is my file name? So one simple point you need to remember is what is the name of the class? First program. Always remember whatever the name you are given, save the program with the same name. Why in a sense we will discuss later. First to program. So how to save a program? It is a Java program. Now the extension is .java, right or wrong? It is a Java program. Now you need to write first to program .java, all files. Now save. Click on save. Click on save. My program is saved successfully. Now, my first step is completed. What is my first step? Writing and saving a program. Anybody have doubts under this one? So, installation is completed successfully. After completion of installation, my next step is writing a program. Anybody have doubts? Yes, no doubts. Okay, clear. Now, program written is completed. How to execute the program? Again, the procedure is simply go to the command prompt CMD. Here the step is at which location you are storing the file. At which location you placed the file. The first step is move to that particular location. Move to that particular location. What is the procedure? Suppose if I am not moving to the particular location, okay, ignore. What are the two commands? The two commands are first one is compilation, Second one is execution. What is the command? The first one, you are writing Java C. Uses Java C space. What is the name of the program? First program dot Java. This is my first step. What is the first step? Java C space. What is the program name? Program name dot Java. First, you need to execute this step. After execution of this step, if there is no error in your program, then you need to type this one, Java space first program only. Remember this. I think you understand. This class is very, very useful. Here in this session, we discussed how to execute a program. The first executable step is write Java C followed by name of the program dot Java. Okay. If there, what is this step? This is called compilation step, right or wrong? So what the compilation do? Check whether the program follows the rules of the programming language or not. If any violates, it gives error. If everything is perfect, then we are moving into second stage execution. Java space first program. Generally, this is called interpretation. This is called interpretation. Okay. Now, type the first command Java C space first program dot Java. Whenever I entered this command, an error is displayed. What is the error? Unable to read. See that error? What is the error? File not found. That means what is my file? First to program.java. That file is not found. Why? Why? Here my file is under D drive, but I am searching in this folder. You got my point? You are saved your file at one location, but you are executing in another location. Here we already set the path in the sense no need to move to the only the installed locations. Here you can move to the required location. How? So what is the location? D drive. Simply D colon. Press enter. Automatically I am moving into D drive. Under D drive, what is my folder name? Okay, I forgot. What is my folder name? My folder name is, so under D drive, my folder name is this one, Nagaraju. So CD means change directory to Nagaraju. Now I am moving to the under D drive. I am moving to the folder Nagaraju. Again, I created a folder. What is the name of the folder? Java batch 31 CD space Java batch 31. Press enter. That means we are at the exact location. We are at the exact location. Now, what is the first step? Java C space first program dot Java. Press enter. See this one? It moves to the same location. That means whatever the program you had written, it does not contains any error. Whenever this compilation step is completed, what happens? This is my source program. Yes or no? My source program is saved with .java. Once the compilation is completed, what it generates? It generates a .class file. Check whether the .class file is generated in the same folder or not. Java batch 31. See this one? First to program dot class. That dot class file is automatically generated. Now, simply you copy this dot class file and you can run on any mission that is platform independent. No need to copy the program. You copy only the first program dot class. You can run on any mission. Here, general thing is why you need to copy that one only. Suppose I written the program, but my intention is I am not giving the program to you, but you want the execution. So simply I give this program. You are unable to open the content, what is present inside the dot class file, but you got the result. You observe, you understand my point? You don't know what is written inside, how I am writing the program, but you are getting the output by using the dot class file. Okay. Once the compilation stage is completed, the dot class file is generated. Now, what is the second step? My second step is Java space, the name of the program, that is called execution. Enter. So automatically, according to my program, whatever you written, according to your program, you got the output. Welcome to Java. Fine. Okay. My program is completed successfully. Suppose, for example, here according to syntax, semicolon is placed. That is Java language principle. Right now, you don't know the principle. Here, remember one point. According to the syntax, compulsory semicolon is placed. Save the program. Each and every time, whenever you perform an updation, save the program. Now go to the command prompt. Again type. Generally remember, once you open a command prompt, each and every time, no need to type the entire. By using arrow marks, up arrow, down arrow, you can select the different commands that are executed previously. Suppose this one, yes. This is my first command. Press enter. Here, see this one? It shows an error. You got my point? After compilation, it checks whether the program follows the rules of the programming language or not. Yes. So here, see this one, Java 5, we have an error semicolon expected. Yes or no? Semicolon. Just now you remember, I removed the semicolon. Now what I am doing? Simply place the semicolon, again save the program, move the command, and then you are getting the output. By using up arrow, down arrow, we are directly select this one. Now, the program is completed successfully. I written the program and executed the program by using two steps. Remember, what are the two steps? Java C space program name dot Java. That is first step, compilation. If your program is compiled successfully, now the second step is execution. For execution, this is the command. Okay. So today everything is completed. Installation of JDK is completed, and then we are writing the first program. What is written inside the program? That is our next topic in the next session. Before closing the session, everyone remember one more point. Here, for example, D drive Nagaraju Java batch 31, only 3 steps. For example, I have approximately 5 to 6 steps. That means this PC, D drive, Nagaraju, training, under this training, Java batches, under this Java batches, Java batch 31. If I have many number of folders, what you need to do? You need to write that many number of CD, change directories. Yes. Here, instead of that one, I will explain one simple way to move to the corresponding one. Simple thing is here from this PC, it is very easy. Yes or no? Typing in the command prompt is difficult, but in the my computer, click on D drive, click on name, click on batch one. It is very easy or not? So go to your required or specified path. Understand? click on this one, click at this position. Automatically this is selected. Okay. Again I am showing this PC. Select the path where you are writing your Java programs. Now click at this position. Here, this is selected automatically. Yes or no? If it is selected automatically, type CMD here. Type CMD here. No need to go to the start bar. There you are selecting the command and then move and then change the directory to the specified path. Instead of that one, select the path, click CMD, press enter. Automatically a command prompt is open with this one. Here you can directly execute the program. I think you understand. This simplifies the process of changing the directories. Okay. Now, this is the end of today's session. Anyone have doubts? Anyway, I will share the content. So, what is the today you have to practice? In today, you have to practice installation of JDK. After installation, here I passed the same program. Simply copy and paste the program and execute step by step. You need to remember two steps. Okay. Today, that is your assignment. What is your assignment? Installation of software and then copy the program. That means you are created a new notepad and then type your program. Remember the two steps, how to compile the program and then execute the program. Okay, that is the assignment for today's session. If you have any doubt, ask me. Everything is clear? Anyone, please ping some message either yes or no. If any doubts, no or yes.
Hi. I already installed GDK, sorry, JDK 14 in my system. So can I just
Okay.
use that or do I need to install 17 too?
No. Actually, you are installed 14. You can use 100%. No
Mm-hmm.
problem. But why 17 in the sense 17 supports advanced Java concept. The 14 version does not support advanced topics. Why? Because the 14 version has does not support of LTS. LTS means the Oracle Foundation provides some inbuilt-in servers only for up to 17. For 14, actually there is no support. So right now we are in the core Java concepts. 100% no problem. You can definitely use Java version 14. Not a problem. You can
If
use.
I'm installing JDK 17, do I have to delete the 14 or it will just stay in my system?
No. No need to delete. Actually, you observe in my system already 17 is available. Even though 17 is available, I installed 19. You observe that one? Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
No need to delete the previous versions. Remember, in your Java folder, you can install any versions of Java. Not a problem. You can use any versions.
I
According
can
to that version, you
install
can set the path.
I can
Yes.
install 17 also, right?
Yes. You can
Okay.
install 17 also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any others?
I have a question, Nagarjun.
Hi, please.
Yeah, I have a Java 11. So Java 11 support the LTC version, right?
Yes.
So I don't. If I have Java 11, then what do you think? I need to uninstall 11 and install the 17?
No. Actually, what I said is you have Java 11, LTS support is there. Perfectly, it is sufficient. What is the thing is
Uh,
after version 11, some
uh-huh.
modifications, some add-ons are available. Whatever
Oh,
the add-ons, all those add-ons are supported 17. You got my
oh,
point?
okay. Okay, got it, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Simple thing. That is, if you are installing the advanced version means all the features are supported. But the basic thing is for this core Java, even Java 8 is sufficient, no problem. But generally we are installing the new versions of Java. Install everyone 17. That is very beneficial to you. Even you are practicing advanced Java concepts.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yes, thank you very much. Any other else? Okay. So that is the end of today's session. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, no problem. Contact. I will clear all the doubts. At the time of installation, if you have any doubts, simply ping some message in the WhatsApp group. I will give the response. Okay. Thank you for the today's session.